Yarana o Moenau to uiua no Tahiti me iau. E aha to to huru, mai te e? Yarana ya o to pātoa I te iemhana. Hello, I'm Moenau from Poly-lingual Reo Tahiti. Today I will share with you the top 12 Tahitian expressions we use in a Tahitian conversation. But before we dive into our lesson of the day, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the light bell below to get notifications because I will be posting a video each week. Are you ready? Wainene oe? Whatever. In Tahiti, we do have a number of Tahitian expressions. We use them all the time, every single day. Some of them make sense and some of them are a bit hard to understand. But today I will share with you the ones that are easy and common during a simple conversation in Tahitian. Here we go. Aue ho'ie. Aue ho'ie. Oh, poor you. Terā hoa. Terā hoa. That's exactly that. Hey, phew, tahoa. Phew, tahoa. Annoying, tired. Aita e pe'apea. Aita e pe'apea. No problem. Hey, Heruna. Heruna, please wait. Eramai. Eramai. There it is. Ip'e. Ip'e. Yes, indeed. Hopeteo. Hopeteo. Excellent. Tenā. Tenā. There you go. Hey, aita e parauraʻa. Aitē parauraʻa. Aita e parauraʻa. No discussion. Hey, Marū noa. Marū noa. Let's go slow. Haere Marū, haere pāpū. Haere Marū, haere pāpū. Go slow but surely. If you want to learn more about each one of these Tahitian expressions we learned today, check out this video right here. It's a video series, one Tahitian expression at a time. That's it for today. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you want to learn more about the Reo Tahiti, the Tahitian language, check out our website, polylingual.com. I'll see you guys next week. Terā yahua hirima, maruru meit aite wharura ame. Yorana, parhei, nana.